the only way to make an NFT collection right now and not lose all of your money making it. Here's the first option. Hype no longer matters with the current market sentiment. No one gives a fuck. Make everyone scream in your Discord and the loudest screamer is gonna get whitelisted. That is the current meta. And so is shit and the death of the space. Or random unpleasant names that are the exact opposite of collections that were trending a few months ago. And if you want an artist that makes art of this style, I got an old buddy from high school that makes art like this. I used his Google form in my bio. If you want to work with him, just fill it out and we'll get back to you ASAP. And your second option and what I'm doing is just to build and then wait for the market to rebound. Just keep on keeping on, just keep building, keep providing value. And when the market turns bullish again, you're gonna look like a hero because you've done so much when no one else was. And follow your boy for more help in the NFT space. Peace out, boys.